All right, everyone, let's jump right into it. So what we are doing here, we are learning how to help students to log in into their ChatGPT account. Now, how we are going to start it? First, you have to ask all of your students, are they aware of ChatGPT or not? If they know what ChatGPT is, then you have to ask them that do they use it in their smartphone or not? So how we are going to do it? Ask all the students to take out their smartphone, and then you have to ask them that can you show me the app? Again, not the website, but the app. So if they are showing the app, the one task is done. Now, next thing we have to do, once you have checked that they have chat gpt in their phone or not, those who do not have, they should take tablets. So you have to distribute the tablets to all the students who do not have their smartphone. Second task is done. The last one is laptop. Ensure that if they are using first their smartphone, second their tablet, and then they should be using the laptop. Now, the idea is that everybody should use their own device for this practice, for this exercise. I hope this is clear. Let's move on to the next thing. So once you have done with smartphone, tablet, laptop, we will move to the next thing, that is earphone. Now, ensure that everybody has their own earphones. So you have to distribute the earphones, ask everybody to show it to you so that, yeah, it's working. At the same time, you have to check whether the earphones are working or not. So again, so that you will not face any problem later. Now, once you have done the earphones part, ask students to use Wi-Fi. You have to write the Wi-Fi password on the board so that everybody can use the Wi-Fi. Now, once they are connected with the Wi-Fi, the next thing that they have to do, they have to open Chat GPT. Now, again, not the website version, they have to use the app version. So they have to use the Chat GPT. Once they have opened the app in all the phones, you have to personally go and check it, whether they have opened it or not. Now, once this part is done, next part is the live feature. Now, again, you have to monitor it by yourself. Walk around the class, check whether the live feature is visible or not. Now, just want to share the live feature. How does it look? Now, if I keep like this, you will see there is a plus button, there is a place to type, and there is a mic, and then at the end there is a black dot. That is the live feature. Now keep in mind we are talking about the live feature, not confused with the mic feature. So once this is done, now, so the live feature might not be visible, if the students have not logged in. Somebody's ID should be logged in, then only the live feature will work. Next you have to do, you have to walk around the class and you have to check it whether the live feature is visible or not. Once you have verified this, the live feature, in case it is not there, then take little time and ensure that everybody has logged in. Once the login part is done, explain to student, do they know how to copy paste in their smartphone, in the tablet? If they don't know, explain it to them. Now, go to the website, take out the document, or we are going to provide you a link. Use that document, copy the document, ask students to download it, and then copy from there and paste it onto Chat GPT. Again, what to do? You have we are going to provide the link, or you can go on the website and download the document. Once you have downloaded the document, ask students to copy whatever is written there and paste it onto Chat GPT. Once this part is done, ask student to send it. So now we have done one important task. Next thing is the prompt. Now this is the prompt that they have to say. Ask everybody to repeat just like a pledge. Now we will say, ask me these questions one by one and give me sentence starter. This is what they have to say it. Okay? Ask them to say it one time or maybe more than one time. Once you are sure that they can say it, now ask students to say this thing by using live conversation part. But before doing that, take the tablet and show a demo. Now, this part is very important. Before asking them to go live, show a demo to them. So what to do? You have to open the tablet. You have to open the tablet and show them. So I have already copy pasted this part. I have copied from the document and pasted here. Now I'm directly going to use the live conversation part, and I'm going to say this. Are we ready? Ask me these questions one by one and give me sentence starter.
Of course, no. Continue step by step. Next question, where are you from? Sentence starter, I am from. Please answer when.
Now, as you can see, I have clicked on the mute button. Now, this part is very important. Every time I'm going to say something, after I complete speaking, I have to click on the mic button. So, for example, sentence starter is I am from. So I click on mic. I am from Delhi. Okay, so just like I said, this you have to show the demo. In the demo, there is mic button. You have to show them how to mute the button. This is very important part. So every time I'm speaking something, I have to click on the mute button. For example, the next question is, where do you live? Sentence starter is I live in. I have to click here. I live in Delhi.
Question, are you a student?
All right. So once you have asked them to repeat the prompt, you have to ask everybody to say the prompt, ask me these questions one by one and give me sentence starter. Okay. Once you have said this prompt, once you have asked students to repeat this prompt at least twice, next task is to show a demo. Now, every time I keep on repeating, the mute button is very important. So use the mute button. Once you have shown this demo, the next thing that you have to do, ask any confident students to come on stage and show the demo again, so that you will be sure that everybody understood what we are going to do. Once you have asked the students to come on stage and show the demo, still there will be some students who would not understand it. Now, what you are going to do, you have to ask all your students to sit at different places, little far from each other, just like we do it in MFE. So they have to sit far from each other with their earphones and tablet, and they will start practicing by using this prompt. What you need to do, first you have to monitor, look around who needs the most support, who is struggling the most, and then you have to sit with that student one-on-one support at least for 5 minutes each. The reason is you need to sit with the student, use one of the earphones in your ear, and you have to see how the conversation is going. If it's not going good, you have to help them. Help them how to say the prompt, help them how to mute it every time you answer it. Then how to unmute, say the answer, mute it again. So this process, you have to show it at least for 5 minutes so that everybody understands. I hope this is going to help you to improve our students' English. Good luck.